What's up, guys? This is Adam Cote out here at 5 Point Auto Spa in Carlsbad, California, and Ceramic Pro Carlsbad, where we do exceptional detailing. And we just finished a really cool project where we did every service that we do, which included paint protection film, brand new Ceramic Pro KAVACA. We did Ceramic Pro coatings on top of the film, Ceramic Pro coatings interior. We did full Ceramic Pro wheels off coating. And we did a ceramic IR window film as well. And I kind of wanted to show you a little bit how it came out. So this is a really rare car. It's based on a race car, and you know, the customer's expectation for this car, because it's so rare, was just to do everything he could to protect it, because it's an investment, and we did that. So like I said, everything's coated from the glass to the interior to the paint protection film to coating on top of the paint protection film, and everything was done custom. So every precaution that could be taken to make it look better than new was done. I don't know if the video is portraying it, but this car literally looks like a piece of candy. It looks like a toy car. Let me just give you an example of the lengths that we went to. So everything that could be taken apart was, so, you know, taking out this vent and removing the letters, which we removed them and replaced them with brand new ones. So the film goes all the way in, so there's never a seam there, which is really critical on white cars. So same thing here, it's just no seams, it's totally seamless. And of course, same thing here. Looking at this front bumper, so extremely challenging bumper, but we just absolutely nailed it. So it was all done in one piece. There's no seams whatsoever. And you can see the coverage is so precise that you will not even see film on the edges. If you look at this, we tuck it all the way into the lights there. Same thing on your carbon fiber accents. We removed them, put the film down, then replaced them. These are wrapped as well with paint protection film. So like I said, the car just looks like an absolute piece of candy. It looks like a toy car, and every surface that could be protected is protected, if not in one way, multiple ways. So if you're looking to really protect a vehicle, 5 Point Auto Spa here in Carlsbad, California, San Diego, California, and in Houston, Texas, can protect your car in ways that you may not even know are possible. And this is just a perfect example of how far we can really go with it. So once again, Adam out here at 5 Point Auto Spa in Carlsbad, but we also have a location in San Diego as well as Houston, Texas. And we are here to protect your toys and your daily drivers. Thanks for checking us out. Check out to learn more at 5pointautospa.com. Thanks for watching.